presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and this time we're showcasing the unit development at 25 Boomerang Street in Kingscliff. Here's the property location here, just a short walk from beach and town and schools. What we have on offer here is a very large 3-bedroom duplex, all on one level. This is how the unit presents from the street, easy access in and out of the garage. As we step inside, you can see you've got a large oversized tiled living area with air conditioning, very workable kitchen, plenty of cupboards and drawers, double door pantry, ample fridge space, also a double bowl sink. This is the view going up the hallway looking to the outside courtyard, which has been covered by a pergola which also has a laser light roof. There's a bush backdrop to the rear, plenty of birds and wildlife, and the rear courtyard is also overlooked by the main bedroom. It's got a ceiling fan, walk-in robe with shelves and hanging, also ensuite bathroom. Going to the other end of the house, there's 2 other bedrooms. Both of them are good size and both of them have built-ins as well. The main bathroom sees a bath, separate shower, an adjacent separate toilet, internal laundry, and also internal access to the large double garage with remote control. If you'd like more information on viewing this property, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or visit our website for more information and photos at salesandrentals.com.au.